Monday morning, boys. Mega Money Mondays. Oh my God, the world is ending right now. Seriously, it's ending. The SPY, the Qs, everything getting murdered right now. The SPY down to I think the 380s, and the Qs right now at the 279. Oh my, it's a bloodfest. This is all been. I think a lot of this was being triggered by cryptocurrency over the weekend, man. Just absolutely getting murdered. I don't know if you guys saw it, but Bitcoin down to 23,400. Some big news coming out over the weekend. You got this cryptocurrency project Celsius halting all of the stuff there. So yeah, it's gonna be a wild ride today, my friends. Something crazy is gonna happen. It's gonna be a crazy day. I don't even know what to do right now. The market's down 3%. The SPY's down 3%. The Nasdaq is down 3.5%. It's gonna be a fun one today, boys. If you haven't already hit that like button, hit that like button. Let's see how we can pop this thing off. It's Monday morning, Mega Money Mondays. Let's go. It's time to party. All right. Let's go. Here we go. It's starting. We're starting. It's going. Here we go. We'll see once this market opens. We'll give it a little bit of time. I mean, I don't think we need to jump right in. Do we need to jump right in? Here we go. Market's about to open here. My computer is needing some help here. And here we go. Ding, 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 ding. The market is now open. Check this thing out. The SPY, well, the Qs, so the SPY right now gapping down from the 390 area down to the 380. So I can't even pull, I can't even literally show this on the chart right now. It's crazy. It's madness, absolute madness right now, boys. Let's go over here and look at it. One minute chart on the NQ right now, MNQs. Getting the spike back up here. A nice little 40 handle pop from the lows so far. Look at this thing. I mean, just a massive gap down this morning, like literally just massive. Absolutely madness. Watching this 510 area, if we could pop above 510, might be some upside potential. A little quick pop. There we go, already above 510. Wow, we just went right above 510. Literally just jumped 10 handles over 510 there. Up to 520 now. Trying to push up here. The $1 million question here, do we go long? Do we go long? I'm thinking there's some upside potential here up to the 282 area on the Qs here. You can see the gap down from Friday from the 288.79 level down there to 280.93. See if we can get some pop here. Pop-a-rooney. think there's a good chance of getting 20 handles if we can continue to pop up here. That 282, like I said, looking for a push. 282 on the Qs here. 281 now. $281.29, looking for a push up of the 282 here. $281.48 there. And looking for 282. See if I can lock in a quick $100 here in profit here. And looking for 282 on the dot. Let's see. 281.69, 281.65. And I'm gonna lock in that profit for a quick $60 here at open. Just one contract, taking it easy right now. Let this market figure out which way it wants to go before we get too crazy, my friends. So the high so far, 281.79, almost up there to 282. I think we see that happening. Let's see, 282s. Which stock are we trading? What do you think we're trading? We're trading the NASDAQ, we're trading the SPY, baby. Come on. Is that even a question? Not a serious question? That's not a serious question, is it? My charts are so messed up. Like, these charts are so messed up because we've had a huge gap down on Friday, a huge gap down today. What do I don't even know what to do here. Look at that, literally back to back massive gap downs. Friday's action was pretty much just sideways here. You can see this is Friday's action on the 3-minute chart. Just that sideways action on Friday. Absolutely crazy, boys. NASDAQ's looking like there's a possible push up to the 11,600 level if it can get pushing. Possible. We'll see. Watching the 11,500 area as well. I don't know, something about me I feel like shorting down here might be a crazy idea, but also might be the opportunity of a lifetime. I like the let's see this 11,500 area you can hold here for a little pushback up. So we're looking for a push off of that 11,500 area. Let's see if that 11,500 can hold here as support. If we can't hold there, we'll jump out, but just kind of watching right now, 11,500 area there for a push up for another $50 bill. See if we can push above the highs here up to 282. We'll look to lock that in. Just hold this one for now. Can lock in another $50 bill here. I think we might lock in a $100 bill, boys. $100 bill, let's go. I like a $100 bill. I got a $100 bill right here. $100 bill, please. 282, looking for a break over 282 here. And ding, 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 looking, we're getting it. And there you go, boys. Up another $100 on the day there. Well, not yet. I haven't locked it in just yet. I'm looking for a little bit more here. I think we can get a little bit more. I mean, a little bit over, little over 282 here. We get up to the 282 like 20 area. There we go. 282.10 now. And 280.20. Look at that, boys. Come on down to Party Town. Look at that. Up to 282.20 on the dot. The high 282.33 actually. 33s actually. Guys, we got 95 people watching. We got 15 likes. Come on, boys. Help me help you. Don't be one of those guys that just watches the stream and doesn't hit the like button. Come on, don't be that guy. Oh yeah, baby, oh yes. We're making moves today, baby. Mega Money Mondays. We're up chilling right now. Literally just traded trading one contract so far. Traded two contracts on the M&Q, up $170. Easy peasy mac and cheesy, baby. That's what I like to see. I like to start out the morning just in the green. The SPY, the Q's having trouble here. What's interesting is you look, the SPY is at the 382 level and the Q's is at the 282 level. How do they do this? How do they keep this market so correlated? I just don't know. How do they make this work like this? Century bear market. I don't know. Maybe just the bear market to end all markets. There's never going to be a market after this. What's interesting is if you look at the what is it? What's the Japanese stock market? The Nikkei. I mean, it's been in a bear market for like the last 10 years. So right now the market pulling back here, testing that 11,500 level and just looking like it's going to get murdered through here. Oh my gosh, it didn't even bounce. Looking for a little bounce here on this. See if we can get a short opportunity. Don't want to be too greedy here. Want to wait for opportunities here. The low of day so far on the QQQ is 279.65. Looks like we're heading that way right now. Looks like we're heading that way. We're going to the lows of 460s here on the lows. The low of day on the NQ right now, that 460 area. You can see that was kind of holding pre-market. It went all the way down to 434s earlier today as well. So you can see behind me right there, that 434 area. Continuing to go lower here though. Oh my gosh, she's getting hammered. See if we get a bit of a bounce. Get a bit of a bounce here, maybe. I can see a bounce back up here before breaking through that low of day. Let's see if we're gonna get it. Watch this candle where it's going to close out on the Qs here. We got the VWAP up there at 281 area. I love that. Would just be a beautiful area to get short. Let's see if we can push up here a little bit. Watching the low of this candle, 279.72. If we can't hold there, we're definitely gonna break the low of day. So looking to see if we can break through the low of day now on a short here. But being careful for a reversal as well. The SPY breaking through the low of day. The QQQ right now having a little bit of trouble. So pushing up there to the VWAP now. Watching to see what happens here. We'd like to get a short going. Let's see if we can get a good area to get short here. I just hate shorting down here at the bottom. It definitely is not my favorite place to be shorting. But obviously we don't know where if we're at the bottom for sure yet. We'll see where this 3-minute candle closes at here. I think we might bounce here. We can get back above the VWAP here. We might get a nice little bounce. Get back above 281 here. So there's that bounce we're looking for. Small bounce. Looking for a push up here, selling into this. Up 130 on that position, another $100 to lock it in here. See if you push 282s. Definitely get up to the 560s here. Lock in another $150 over the 560s if we get a push over 282 on the Qs. Watching that 540 area. If we can't hold that, we'll jump out. Long here, but we're holding right now, so we're going to keep holding. Oh gosh, 540 up. Just bouncing around there. Still holding, thinking we could push up here. Give it a little bit of time. If we don't break below the low of this previous candle here, the 512s. Oh gosh. Probably should have took profit up there already. Good job, Patrick. I'll jump out there. getting denied up there now, so thinking good time to start thinking about short getting back below the VWAP here. Watch the 280s now. She's gonna test that low of day. Let me see if we're gonna test the break through the low of day here. Down there in the 279.71 area. Foxtrot, best show on earth. Let's go. Put a link in the chat box. We got the Discord up and running. Free Discord for traders around the world. Check them out. There's a link there on the chat box. So currently looking for this move to see if we can break through the low of day with my stop at that kind of 500 area here. Let's see if we can break through here. Got to break through that 280 area. Strong. Kind of bouncing around. I'm going to take profit there. Might get another bounce back up here. Another squeeze back up. Just be careful. Showing some support down here at the 280 level right now on the Qs. The SPY at the 380 level. So we're below the VWAP here. We're just kind of going sideways. Haven't really broken out of this move yet. the low 280, the high 282 area. So basically just in this chop, in this channel right here, going sideways. Let's see if we can make a move here. Make a move to the downside, break below the low of day here at the 280s. $279.75 area. Just needs to smack it right through. Just break it on through to the other side. Watching the 281 area here. Oh, come on. Through the 480s here on the MQ. We're going lower, baby. Just smack it already. Just smack it. Oh, looking for a break here. Come on. Getting tight. Getting real tight. The SPY looking like she wants to sell here as well. The SPY at the 379.81s. The NASDAQ at the 280.26. See if we can break through this level here. Sell, sell, sell. Sell, 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 sell. It's the end of the world. Oh, come on. It's like it doesn't want to give it to us easy, does it? Doesn't want to give us that quick and easy money here for a breakdown. Just doesn't want to make it easy on us. Thinking this might have potential to pop back up here. If we keep holding this 280 level, we can get a big old squeeze back up. Shorts will have to take profit. Everybody's going to start FOMOing, trying to chase the bottom here, trying to buy the dip. Get back above 281, try to push out of this area, this 282s. Got the SPY and the NASDAQ both thinking about trying to push back above the VWAP here. Let's see. Currently long right now off the bottom here. See if this 280 is gonna push us back up. Got the VWAP right there. Got some resistance. This could be the sell signal to finally break through this low. Finally get this break below 280 here. Oh man, the 480s on the NQ right now, just holding. Like I said, they're gonna make us really work for it today, boys. Just kind of sitting back here waiting to watch, waiting for this 480 area to break on the NQs, if it's gonna break. See if we get back over 281 here. All right, I think we're gonna push up here. A little delayed to my push up, but had a little push from the 480s up to the from the 530s. I want to see where this candle closes at right here. Just kind of going sideways right now off this 480 level. It's kind of going sideways there. Interesting, getting some more volume here. Watching that 30-minute chart, really tight on the 30-minute chart right now on the NQs. Try to hold this 480 here. They like that 480 level on the NQ right now. Finally getting sold through there now. Testing the low of day on the NASDAQ here, breaking to the downside below that 480 level. volume coming up here as well. Just sitting back here waiting and watching right now, looking for this opportunity, boys. I pinned the Discord link. There's a Discord link in the chat box if you guys want to check it out. It's free. You could come and have some fun with us in the Discord. Just sitting back here waiting, watching. What's a Discord? I don't know. It's a place where people come together to have fun. Little Spike-a-rooney back up here. Oh, baby. Back up to the 281s. Boner candles are very possible today. Boner candles are very possible. We got 100 people watching. We got 44 likes. I think we could break through 100 likes today, boys. Give me $100. I got a $100 bill for $100 likes. Come on. Also, I got a video that's going to be releasing after this live stream. So once we turn off the live stream later on, just stay tuned for the latest and greatest entertainment videos. Well, it'll be a informative video, actually. Very informative video. So much information, so little time. Oh man, you know what messed up here? Somebody messed this up. I forgot to do something today. So we're looking for a push up here to the above the 520s now on the NASDAQ to host poker. I think we could do poker tournaments in the Discord, actually. Only members now, baby. With 10 o'clock for the rest of the stream, it's members only, baby. You want to be a part of the action? Take out that $5 bill and get in here. Man, it's a choppy fest right now, so. These gap downs have just been killing the volatility. On Friday, same thing happened on Friday. Today, just kind of riding this support area. I'd say this is definitely not my favorite type of trading action. I could host an internet invitational surfing competition with prizes for your subs. That seems like a lot of work. Seems like a lot of work. Truck driving ape Chris, let's go. Just to make it clear, he is not an actual AMC ape. He's a truck driving ape. Big difference. Oh, this candle right now is between the 480 and 500 level on the NQ. It's just like flirting with the idea of breaking to the downside or possibly breaking to the upside. Everybody's gonna get screwed either way here, I think. The bears and the bulls today. Everybody's getting screwed here. You're bullish? You're bearish? Okay, yeah, no problem. I can change that idea for you. That's what the market said. How important is it to be able to swim in order to surf? Yeah, about that. So it's kind of important. Hayden Huey bought one long, one short. He can't lose, baby. He can't lose. Or maybe the market goes sideways. He can lose, actually. Just don't lose your wife's car, Hayden. Don't lose your wife's car. Number one goal for Hayden is not to lose his wife's car trading, because that would be bad for everybody. Hell have no fury as a wife with no car. He have no fury or she have no fury. Something like that. One of those epic sayings that I just murdered. Oh gosh, she's gonna lose her own car. Hayden and his wife are gonna be walking around Australia. Australia's a pretty big place. Be a lot of walking. Hell have no fury like a woman scorned. Ah, yes. Oh, yes. Kangaroo power? That would be fun. Ugh. Market selling here, breaking through the lows finally. See if we can get down there to the 276 area today. Possible. Anything's possible in this market, I would say. Anything's possible. Dream big, kids. Finding some support here at the 279 area again. After breaking through that 280 level, so 279 acting as support now. Oh. Queen's birthday. Gotta love it. Oh, this market right now, it's like, where's she want to go? What does this market want to do? The band, yes, Roy Jenkins. They're celebrating the Queen the Rock Band's birthday today in Australia. Shut down the whole country. You funny. Big old gap down here today. Market just grinding right now. Not sure what to do here. Just kind of sitting back. Hey, Hayden Huey's wife's over there just killing it. We should start following her. I don't know. I'm just sitting here. I hate these kind of days, man. It's like, yes, there's action, but it's like, is it clean? Is it nice? Is it beautiful? No. And that's the problem. I like making easy money. I like when the market's like, hey, buy here, sell here, when it's just like cut and dry, simple, easy. Right now we are basically just battling this. I don't know. I definitely don't feel like I want to be chasing down here for a short, but maybe the market keeps going lower. It's down 3.5% on the day right now. How low can we go? I mean, fuck. I've said that before too. I've literally like had the same exact conversation before, and the market continued to go lower. So it's tricky. Definitely a tricky one. It's interesting too, because once it broke below this 500 level, it didn't really get back. It just kind of held right there, and then the big the waterfall of selling came in there. So we'll just sit back here. We'll wait for another opportunities. Always looking for opportunities. Slow and steady, baby. We got a new member as well. Give him a round of applause. Brian Novalinsky. We're worldwide, baby. If you guys want to join in on the action, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like button, all the buttons down below. We got members only for the hour of 10 a.m. till 11 a.m. You want to be a member of the #1 day trading channel. Costs you $5 a month. It's like Netflix, but way better entertainment, you know? Everybody pays for Netflix, but what do you get from Netflix? You don't get anything from Netflix. Nothing. Terrible. Terrible investment. You invest $5 into the #1 day trade channel, you get a good return. Hayden Huey's up $500 waiting for the next opportunity. I like it. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Or maybe do go chasing waterfalls. Netflix is $19 a month? Holy shit, I gotta raise my price. All right. So we're just sitting back here. We're waiting. We're watching. We're looking for opportunities. Always looking for opportunities. But sometimes the best play, the best trade is just sitting on your hands and waiting for something to show. We'll see how this kind of resolves here. If we get a push back up and then get denied for another short opportunity, for a short opportunity, maybe push up to the 450s here. Could get interesting. Thanks, Brian. I'm worth $5. Let's go, boys. It's $5 a month as well, people. Not like $5 a day or something like that. It's literally less than 25 cents a day. For 25 cents a day, you can support this. Is that let's see how much it actually is per day. Let's just go through this real quick. Oh gosh, it's 15 cents, right? 30 divided by 5. Wait, it's not right. 5 times 5 divided by 30. Oh my gosh. It's literally 16 cents per day. 16 cents per day. Come on. Let's go. The Q's trying to push back up there, like I said. Oh, 28 days. So it'll be maybe 20 cents at the max per day. We'll see what happens here if we continue to sell. Watching it here, watching it. I would like to see a pushback up here. I mean, I just think that, you know. I don't know. Oh, God. I feel like if I try to short down here and chase this, that I'm going to get chopped up, but I don't know. It's like it's right there in front of our face. Like, oh, look, you know, you press the button, you short, boom. Maybe it works, but man. I'm also just hesitant. I'm also a little hesitant here. Roy Jenkins, maybe that's why it will end up going lower, is because we think it can't go lower. Is that a way to look at it? It's like the market can't go any lower, so maybe it will go lower. Breaks below the 11,400 level on the NQ here. Let's see what happens. At 278. You got the 276. I mean, that area right here looks doable. That'll put us down over 4% on the day. So could be a real murder of a day right now. We had the worst weekly close for the S&P 500 last week. I think they said since like the 1980s or something. This might be the worst Monday to start out the week, or another. I think Black Friday might have been the Black Monday might have been the worst day, but Monday. But you get a 4%, 5% down day on a Monday. It really starts out the market, starts out the week. Everybody in a good mood. Huh. You can see, like, even when we're moving lower, it's just like the grind, right? Like we broke below 400 here, and it's just like grinding lower. These are 1 minute. This is the 1 minute chart, so just kind of like just literally just grinding right now. I need a move, man. I need a better move than this. Bitcoin down to 23,000. Bitcoin getting murdered right now. 23,200. Somebody on StockTwits told me the other day that Bitcoin was going to be back above 40,000 this week. Well, whoopsies. If you ever want to figure out like what the best place to get information on what not to do, StockTwits definitely tops out as the #1 spot to find the wrong idea, the bad idea. If you ever like, what you do is you go on StockTwits and you make a poll, and then you do the exact opposite of whatever the answer is. Just do the exact opposite, and it works out every time. It works out 100% of every time. We should go on StockTwits right now and put a poll. Will the market go lower or will it go higher? So we got the SPY at the 377 on the SPY. The SPY literally just red for the last what, 6-7 candles there. So just kind of grinding though, man. It's just grinding right now. The grind is real, and that's the grind that we don't want. We do not want the grind. We want the pops, the drops. So we get a little push up here back above the 11,400 level on the NQ right now. Once again, trying to find some support here, 278. Just not finding it, is it? Not finding that support there. Oh, 15-minute chart here, looking bad. Everything looking bad. It's all just so bad now, boys. It's all so bad. The low on that candle was 277.69. The low on this candle is 277.67 now. So 277.60 area holding as support right now on the Qs. Can it start to turn back up here? Get some relief bounce. Get some relief bounce here. Got the EMA on the 1-minute chart on the NQ, just basically holding it down right now. You can see here on the IronBeam app. That EMA, just letting it ride on down that EMA. So we'll see if we get a close back above the EMA. How much do I pay in commissions? Depends, I would say on average, maybe $30, $40. Depends on how much I trade that day, obviously, but I try to not over trade and rack up tons of commissions because of that reason. Just because you can place a trade doesn't mean you should place a trade. Ain't that the truth? Put that bumper sticker on your car, on your minivan. Just because you can place a trade doesn't mean you should place a trade. Oh man. But yeah, this gap down, it's just not good for the action. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, you know what to do. Got 67 likes, 92 people watching. I don't know, like, what do you do here? Like, do you short? Do you get long? I mean, I definitely don't love it. Look at these candles on the 1-minute chart. You got like, you have a doji that doesn't even have an open and close on it, just a line, just a wick. Then you got another doji, another doji, another doji. Doji, doji, dojis. Just a bunch of dojis on there. Literally, just a bunch of dojis. Looking to see if we can get pushed back above this EMA here on the 1-minute chart. Maybe get a little pop back up here. They can't, it just, the market just won't go straight down, right? Like, it just can't go straight down. Like, it's got to find some support at some point here. In theory. In theory, we got to find some support here at some point, right? Like, there's got to be some buyers somewhere here. It just can't go straight down. It just can't happen. As I say that, it just goes straight down. Nah, it's gonna pop here, Hayden. It's going to 279. Watch. 279. Got the VWAP up there at the 280 level. Looking for a push up 279 level here. 278.50 already. Ride some of this momentum maybe. Volume pretty light. Overall action pretty light. The SPY trying to push off that bottom there as well. The 276, 277 area on the SPY. So the SPY, the NASDAQ obviously kind of bouncing together here. Trying to find some support. They got to get out the support machine. Start pumping this baby up. Pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it, pump it. Can they pump it all the way to the moon? $278.50, $278.50 here. Looking for 279, 279. Oh, renaming Meta to Faceplant. That wouldn't be good. That would not be good for business. For their business, at least. Be good for my business. Be bad for their business. 278.60 there. $279, is it gonna happen? I told you, Hayden Huey. I told you she was going to 279. I told you. Gotta love it. Had a high so far, 278.71 here. On this 3-minute candle, got about another minute left here. The NASDAQ needs to hold that 11,400 level to keep this momentum pushing up here. I won't even say momentum, just keep pushing this grind higher. Looking to see if we can push up here to 279. 279. Google employee came out today or yesterday or whatever saying that he found a sentient AI on the Google servers. Oh my gosh. It's happening. Have people not seen Terminator? Have we not seen Terminator? It's all there. The entire, like, this is exactly what happens. If you build an AI computer, what happens? It kills all the humans. Every movie, it's the same exact setup. Literally every time. Have you guys, has nobody else noticed this? That every time there's a movie about the computers taking over, they kill the humans every freaking time. So what do we need to do? What do we need to learn here, people? You know? Good job, Google. Google over here building the next Terminator. Skynet, man. Skynet is real. But yeah, it's definitely frustrating because we already know exactly what happens when the computers take over. They always take over. First off, the computer always takes over, right? Like, it's guaranteed that the computer is going to take over. And then number two, they always kill all the humans. So, like, let's not invent technology that is basically just been proven to kill humans. You know, like, come on. Hayden Huey's tagging me in important information. Let's see what we got here. It better be real important, Hayden. Binance temporarily pausing Bitcoin withdrawals on the Bitcoin network. Huh. Ruh-roh. Ruh-roh, Binance. It's all tumbling down, man. It's all coming down, going to zero, everything. Cryptocurrency's going to zero. The stock market's going to zero. The entire world is... Look at this. Look at this daily candle on... That was funny. On Bitcoin right there. That was... You can see this daily candle on Bitcoin from the $26,000 level down there to 23,000 right now. I mean, I've been talking about this move on Bitcoin since we were up here at the highs at 80% pullback, my friends. It's literally, it's textbook. Look at this. It's textbook, right? Textbook. 80% pullback puts Bitcoin back down here into this previous area of consolidation. I don't make these numbers up. If you look at the overall setups from the past, like the last time Bitcoin went crazy back in 2017, it ended up crashing 83%. See right there behind my head. This is 2017 on Bitcoin. What did it do? It crashed 84% to the lows. So that's exactly what we're looking for here. The Q is still going lower here. Oh my gosh, it's all happening. It's the end of the world as we know it, and I feel fine. Are we worried? Is anybody else worried out there? Are you guys worried? Anybody else worried? I'm a little worried. Small kind worried. I'm a little worried, boys. Down to the 277s now. Like I said earlier, I mean, it could all, you know, it can go lower. And it's going lower. We're down 4.1% on the day. Bitcoin's down 13% on the day, down to 23,000 right now, just going lower, especially after that news with Binance. Holy shit, man. Good job, Binance. Coming out with some great news right now. That's what we all needed. The world is literally ending right now. It's ending. It's absolutely ending right now. Coinbase getting murdered today as well. See Coinbase here. Coinbase down to $49, down 15% on the day. Coinbase, look at this thing. Who bought the Coinbase IPO? I raise your hand if you bought the Coinbase IPO. Anybody? Anybody buy the Coinbase at 300 plus? It's okay if you want to admit it. It's okay. We won't hold it against you. Just sitting back here waiting and watching right now, looking for some opportunities. I would say as much as the market's selling here, it's still just not a lot of opportunity to make money today. That's the thing about the market. You know, you're gonna have days like today, the market's down 4%, but like where, you know, what's the setup here? If you shorted maybe earlier, but I don't love the idea of shorting down here at the bottom. Maybe it goes lower. You know, maybe the market goes lower from here, but I don't know, man. I just know that at the end of the day, you know, I've been here. I know exactly how this goes. If I start trying to force trades and, you know, I try to just make something happen because I'm like sitting here and I'm like, oh, look, you know, I know exactly, I know the outcome, you know, I know the outcome from that happening. So I'm trying to be smart, you know, wait for a good setup. Patience, baby, patience. Just sit back here waiting and watching for the right setup, the right opportunity. When that comes, we're gonna get it. Hayden Huey's wife's up $330. Let's go. The whole family's making money. The whole family's making money today. We're all eating good tonight. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, we got 99 people watching, 72 likes. I think we can go much higher than that, baby. We can go much higher than 100 likes. all the way to the moon here. If you're just now tuning in, there's a link in the chat box for Discord. We have a new Discord set up. We got it all set up recently. It's looking nice. You guys can come join it. It's free. You can check it out. Everybody's talking about what we're trading, what they're trading, talking about setups and all that fun stuff. So if you want to check them out, I put a link there in the chat box while we wait for this market to make a move. If you're not on Discord, you can get on there and kind of give some little updates throughout the day. If I'm not live on YouTube or over the weekend, we can talk and share trades and all that fun stuff. So check it out. There's a link in the chat box there. So just sitting back here waiting, watching. Like I said, I like how the CNBC put out a headline today that the S&P falls back into bear market territory. No, CNBC, we never left the bear market. That's what's so funny. People thought that like that last little rally that the market had, it was like, oh, we're out of the bear market now. I'm like, no. Just because the market's going up does not mean the bear market is over. Bear market ain't over till the bear market is over, boys. And it ain't over yet. I mean, you think about Friday, you think about today. I mean, the overall market, we're down like 10% in the last 2 days. Right? What is that? In the last 7%. I mean, if you go from like last week's consolidation, the highs there, we're down about 11% on that move. 11% since last week's kind of consolidation. Well, maybe actually, like from here, yeah, about 11.8% that we're down right now on the NASDAQ. So, whoopsies. And looking like we're touching down. Look at that, 276. Oh my gosh, I don't want to say that I called it, but we talked about earlier. I was like, what is this thing gonna go to? Going to 276 today? Are we going to 276? Looks like it. Where is that? I want to see what that trend line is even doing on there. What is that trend line for? So that trend line that you're seeing on the chart is the kind of overall downward trend that we've been in this channel since the end of last year, basically. So we're right down there. That 276 area now is the bottom of this channel. Just absolutely getting murdered right now. The NASDAQ down 4.1% on the day. Yeah, Jim Cramer is the god of calling the bottom and the top. He also said that like literally a couple months ago that Ethereum was ready for a 40% pop. Ouch. Jim Cramer, you're wrong. You were wrong. But that's the thing, right? Like, you know, if you're on the internet, you gotta, and you're making videos about stocks and crypto and all that, like you gotta have a, you know, you gotta have a thesis. You gotta make a call either way. So it might not always be the right call, but you gotta make it. So maybe I'll get Jim Cramer's show one day. Mad Money with Patrick Wieland. It could work. I got the vibe. You know, we could do this, people. Mad Money with Patrick Wieland. It could be a real fucking real thing. Could be a real thing. I could be a real boy. Market trying to push up here a little bit, but still just not having that momentum to get pushing above resistance here. Got the EMAs all kind of lining up right here. Need to get a pop back up. Let's test this VWAP again, baby. 280, come on. Let's get a VWAP test in here. We get a VWAP test, we get denied at the VWAP. Be a good little short entry if we get there. Right now, this market not really looking like she wants to get up there, though. Get a push us 278. Come on, 278 at least. Give me a little push up here. $278. Come on, baby. Push 278. Push it, push it, push it. Nope. Denied. It's currently 5 a.m. here in Hawaii. If you're wondering why I'm looking like I'm tired, anybody watching the stream right now is like, this guy he's yawning on the stream. We've been up since 3:30 here, boys. All for you, boys. All for you, boys. Almost 11 o'clock. Almost time for my lunch break. Or my nap break. Lunch break, nap break. Just sitting back here, waiting and watching. Like I said earlier, just need, you know, just need a setup to come along here. patience is key, my friends. Patience is key. All right. We'll let the people talk again. Get back to subscriber only chat. I know everybody's probably sitting there just really wanting to say something in the chat here. Just really wanting to say something. I'm kind of watching to see what happens here. If we start to roll off again, get below. I mean, like, see, the problem is, like, even if we roll off here, like, we just bounced off of that. Like, we need more of a push up, you know? Like, give me a little bit more push up. I hate to be shorting, like, right off of this, because then we kind of double bottom and then we squeeze back up. Just not an ideal setup. Just not a good risk to reward, you know? I mean, Hayden, you saying you think it's a good time to short? Yeah, I don't like shorting right here. This is, I mean, we're pretty much like right at this area. If we would have pushed up, you know, to 11,400, then got denied, and then giving us, you know, like 50 handles, 50 points in wiggle room before kind of getting back down here, you know, I don't love it. I'm okay with just not taking any more trades, you know what I mean? I'm okay with that. Am I in any long-term short plays, like put 60 days out? Currently, no. No long-term shorts. But yeah, it definitely not a good entry now. Yeah, I mean, like I said, like obviously, like right now it's going lower, but like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna short there at the like 58s, you know, and it's just. I mean, it's like, it's just the issue is it's like the risk to reward, you know, like what's my reward on this trade? I shorted the 50s, I get a move to the 40s, like, you know, it's just not a good setup. And I don't even see like Foxtrot, you're saying like keep a tight stop, like even then it's not worth it, man. It's okay to not take it. Like, people think that you have to like constantly be taking trades, but this is not a setup that I want to take. And look at that, like pushing back up already, like it's just not worth it. I don't want to take a trade just because I'm like, oh, I need to take a trade, you know? Like, I want to take a trade that I'm like, man, look at that thing, you know? Like, I want to see a setup that I'm just like, holy shit, this is gonna be so good. Like, I've been doing this long enough to know now, like, obviously I've been, not that I'm like, you know, not that I'm 100 years old here, but I've been doing it long enough to, like, I've learned enough. I've been around the block a few times, and I know that if I'm not feeling it, like if it's not setting up, not giving me the right setup or the right signals, then there's a very high chance that it's not going to be a good trade. And yes, obviously the market's going lower right now. Yes, I could have shorted. Yes, I could have put my stop at the EMA. I coulda, shoulda, woulda, you know, but again, for me personally, the risk reward is just not there. I'm trying to not give back any profit, baby. See, like it comes down to like boredom trading, right? Like if I shorted right now, I feel like it would just be a total boredom trade. Not because I think it's a good setup, but just be like, oh, I need to take a trade. I haven't taken a trade, you know. If you guys haven't hit that like button, we got 76 likes, 98 people watching. I think we can break through 100 likes right here, right now. All we need is your little fingers to move on over to the like button. And the worst part, this is really where you get screwed, right? Is you end up not taking the trade, and the trade goes, you know, in the direction it goes lower, and now you like get the FOMO, and now you're like, well, fuck, like should I just short it? Like, is it gonna break below the 300s here? Like, oh, you know, like that's what I don't want to do. This is not what I want to do. Hayden Huey's rich. He's rich. I don't know, I'm just sitting back here waiting, watching. If we don't get something happening here in the next, you know, 20, 30 minutes, might just walk away, take the profit. There's always another day to come, my friends. Always another day of action to come. You can see the Qs down to that 276 area. We talked about this earlier. Literally, when we were here at the 279s, I said that 276 area was very doable. And here we are. 276 now. Market down 4.3% on the day right now. AMC down 10% today. Could AMC just break below $10 and just get down to single digits already? Like, let's just, this whole thing, man. The reason that the stock market's going down is because of AMC. It's because of the AMC apes. It's all their fault. Just sitting back here waiting, watching, looking for opportunities, boys. Can we get it? The MOAS is coming any day now. AMC to 100,000. Spoken like a true AMC ape. Also, just a reminder, if you're just now tuning in, we just started a new Discord. There's 120 people in it. Focus on trading, stocks, crypto, the overall market, all that fun stuff. So check it out. It's free. It's free for now. It's free for now. So come on over. If you join today, well, then you'll be a part of it. Let's go. Man, I don't even, I feel like today is one of those days where it's just, you know, it's okay to go to bed. Go take a nap, Patrick. Go take a nap. Market pushing off the 276s here. 276s on the Qs now. Come on, guys. We got 97 people watching, 85 likes. Come on. 100 likes. 100 100 likes. Like clap on. Clap on, 100 likes. Clap on, 100 likes. Looking for a little push up here. This is the Discord we got going on. You can see you got it all set up, looking all beautiful right now. And yeah, we got some, you get open ticket. I mean, it's all so nice. I want to do like in time we'll do some different stuff with like giveaways and rewards. I like to figure out a way to basically like reward people for putting out some good alpha. People making money, posting up their wins, their profits today. Let's go. Market's still going lower here. Oh my gosh. It just won't stop. It won't stop going lower. It just keeps going lower. We haven't broke above that EMA yet. Well, since 10 o'clock we broke below that EMA. It's been a murder ever since. Down at 322. Are we going for a 5% red day on this on the NASDAQ right now? We're down 4.4% on the day. Oh my Jesus. Not a good look. Not a good look, boys. Foxtrot wants 6% on his savings account on the $500 that he has in there. I want 6% on the $2 in my savings account. Oh shit. The Tinder bot is back. I'm telling you, you guys some weird stuff going on. This Tinder bot always keeps coming back. Naked HD Tinder. Oh God. $277 pushing up now. Look at the volume on this thing right here. There's like no volume down here on these candles. Oh, trust me, Hayden, you don't want to read it. Your wife would be offended. It literally said, Hayden Huey is our #1 customer. It was so weird. I deleted it quick. I don't want people to see it. Something about giving a discount to all of Hayden Huey's friends because you're the #1 customer at the Tinder sex bot store. Hey, no judgment. No judgment. All right, let's see what happens here. Do we get denied at the EMA again? Watching to see if we get denied on the EMA here again on the M&Qs on the NQ here. This is a 3-minute chart we're looking at right now. So if we get denied there, look to get short. Do we break through this EMA finally, or do we get stuck there once again? Got 15 seconds left here on this 3-minute candle. So like we kind of got denied there, but we didn't break lower on that next one. Do we get a push up here? Another entry for Hayden Huey. You're getting short again? What's your entry? Come on, let's hear the trade setup here. I thought you were walking away. Didn't you just say you were leaving? He's back. He wants more profit, he said. I want more. I'm not quitting. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. All right, so we're watching this area here. See what happens. We start to get a reversal here. Finally off the bottoms down here at the 276s. 276. We can push above this here. Are you getting long or are you getting short, Hayden? This is looking a little more like a long setup than a short setup. Now that we're breaking back above that EMA there. Get a push over 278 here. Brian making money. Let's go. Google, Apple. Let's go. Market trying to move up here, but just not having that momentum to really get going. Still just kind of a slow grind. Even trying to push up here. Looking to see if we can move up to the 278 level. AMD is always 5 minutes ahead of the market? What? Is that a new indicator? The AMD indicator. If you want to find out what to do, just look at AMD and then do that on the other charts. We're going to push up now to the 278s. Looking pretty good here. Took a little long. Push above that 400s here. That's what I'm looking for. 11,400 to push up there. See if we can get it. We're currently long from the 72s. Keep holding this one as long as we can push up above this 11,400 level here. From the 72s up to the 90s here. Beautiful. Try to lock in a little bit of profit there. And then let the last one ride here. Push above the 400s. All right. We got 96 likes. I can't do it anymore. I can't handle this. We got 96 likes. We're so close, boys. Look, let's just break right through 100 right now, right here. Let's go. Come on. The market's going to break through the 11,400 level, and these likes are going to break through 100 likes. It's that simple. It's literally math. It's math, my friends. Absolutely math. It's math. It's happening. It's pushing 400s. We're currently long right now from the guys. Sometimes we're long from the 69s. I'd like to see a minimum of 50 handles, baby. 50 is my target here. 50 handles. 5-0 is what we want. 50 motherfucking handles. So we need like a 19s, right? We need the 19s here. Bow, 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 bow. So like I said, after this video, after I get done with the live stream, there's going to be another video popping up on the channel. Stick around. It's going to be a lot of great information for you guys. Talking about a new idea that I have going on. All right, here we go. Up to the 16s now, 15s. Looking for 19s, 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 50 handles, baby. 50 handles. Make me holler. Make me holler. $100 bill. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys saw it all happen live right here. Up to the 23s now. Let's go. So there's that move. Beautiful little move here. The high on that candle was the 25s. So we got that move up to the 19s. We're looking for about a 50 handle move off the bottom or half of our entry there. So that's what I like to see, baby. That's what I like to see. A little bit of profit, a little bit of profit every day keeps the doctor away. All right, so now a little bit of a pullback here. We almost pushed up to the VWAP there. The high on that candle, the high was 278.69. The VWAP right there at 279 here. So now the question is, do we get back down to that low here? Market down 3.7% on the day. How low, how high can we go? All right. We're just kind of sitting back here, still just waiting, watching. I don't love shorting here. It's the middle of the day, going into 11:30. I think, honestly, I might just take my profit and walk away here. Market trying to... trying to do something here. Market's kind of they're not really doing it right here, just kind of sitting there. Making it higher, higher low here. Could this be a reversal? Let's see what's up with Redbox today. I saw it was up like 20% this morning. Yeah, it's kind of jumping around here. The new AMC of Wall Street, Redbox Entertainment. Whoopee. So the market kind of making a higher low here. With that, we'll see where this candle closes at. But if this candle can close here, I'd be interested in a possible long, trying to push up to the VWAP area there. Get back above the 11,400 level here on the NASDAQ. On the NASDAQ. The Redbox movie theaters, yeah. Oh, not movie theaters. Redbox movie vending machines. Nah, man, Redbox is going to $1,000. What are you talking about? I love seeing the targets on StockTwits. Hey, Justin coming through. Let's go. My man. My man. So getting that push back up here. This is looking like she wants to test that VWAP area, boys. Even maybe get back up to this level. That's 281 here today. Big thanks to Justin for that $10 donation. We love to see it. We love to see it. So we had that big push up here through that resistance, but can we continue higher? Not a lot of volume right now. Everybody's waiting and watching from the sidelines, I think. The roosters are crowing right now. The roosters are crowing. Literally, like outside my house, they're crowing. Not like figuratively. Figuratively. Why is that so hard to say? That's really hard to say. All right, so I'm looking for another $50 bill here. I'm gonna take my profit. I'm gonna be done, I think. So we're trying to lock in $50. So there we go, locking in $50 off that little scalp thingy majiggy that we just did. I wasn't loving it, but maybe the market pushes up here, maybe it doesn't. But I know one thing is for sure, that if I think about all of my history trading between 11 o'clock, after 11 o'clock, I normally just, it goes to shit. I end up just giving back all my profits, so. I'm trying to not trade, you know. I'm trying to always be a better trader, trying to get to that next level. And I think, you know, oh gosh, it's gonna go higher now. Obviously, the minute that I sell, this is gonna go higher. It's a proven stat. If you ever wanted to just basically, you know, if you ever wanted to basically have 100% win ratio, you just basically buy wherever I sell at, and it'll go up. And then short wherever I cover at. It's guaranteed. 100% ratio. 100%. It might not be a big move, but I guarantee it'll at least be like 2 or 3 handles. Obviously, this is not financial advice. Please don't go out and invest in in that idea. Don't do it. Don't do as I say, or don't do as I do. Do as I say. And there's that push. Oh my, up to the VWAP now. I hate when that happens. Literally, I hate when this happens. I hate it. I hate it. There's that push up to the VWAP now, so. Oh man. Up to the VWAP 279. Can she break through the VWAP now? I think I'm gonna be done here either way, but I am interested to see if we break through the VWAP. I guess I'll find out later on either way. I might go take a nap. Like I said, I got a video coming out here in about 2 minutes for you guys after this live stream. So if you're just now tuning in, you're just getting ready, don't worry. There's more fun action to come. So I want you guys to watch. Here's your homework for tonight. You guys ready? This is the homework. You gotta watch the video and then leave a comment on it and let me know what you think. Simple homework. If you agree with me or if you don't agree with me, that's your homework. All right, that's the homework, boys. I want to see everybody finish their homework. All right, so I think I'm gonna be done here. Again, big thank you if you guys are just now tuning in. Sorry, I've been live since 9:30 this morning. It's I was live 3:30 a.m. here in Hawaii, and yeah. I wouldn't say it was the best trading day ever. We made some profit, but definitely not, you know, definitely not the action that we're looking for. This is the problem when you get these big gap downs, you get this sideways action, and then that, you know, it's hard. For me personally, like I just don't love trading sideways action. I know some people are like, they love it. Some guys say that, you know, they like to trade sideways. And for me, I'd rather not trade sideways, but that's just how, that's my trading strategy. That's my trading. That's like my mentality. You know, I know like my emotions. Like I know kind of what I need, what I'm looking for here. So on that note, I'm gonna go ahead and tune it out. But yeah, there's a video coming out here in about 2 minutes after I get off the live stream. So hit that refresh. Let's go to the moon together, boys. I'll talk to you guys later on.